Are you a low-income homeowner, senior, or veteran? If so, you might be missing out on free grants for your home repairs. In this video, I'll show you how to access $5,000, $30,000, or even more to fix up your home without paying a dime. These programs exist, but most homeowners don't know where to find them. Stick around and I'll walk with you through the top 3 resources to get help for your next home repair. I'm Inspector Q with ProInspect Solutions. We help homeowners like you protect your home and get the most value from your government grants and local programs. Today, we're diving into 3 free resources you need to know about to get home repairs for free or at a low cost. So let's jump in. The first stop for free home repair grants is the federal government. Yes, the U.S. government offers programs to help low-income homeowners, seniors, veterans, and others in need of home repairs. But before you think about federal grants, let's be clear. Getting a federal grant can be a long and complicated process. Writing proposals, dealing with red tape, and waiting months can delay your repairs. But don't worry, there's an easier way to find out if you qualify. Head over to Benefits.gov, a website that helps you access available federal benefits. It's a great resource for finding grants and services that you might qualify for based on your income, age, or disability status. Here's how to use it. So when you go to Benefits.gov, make sure you fill out the few basic questions about your age, income, and property details. Based on your answers, the site will narrow down the benefit options available for your home repairs. Here's a tip. Look specifically for housing, home repair, or weatherization programs for low-income homeowners or seniors. Next, let's talk about local resources. Many cities and counties partner with non-for-profits and other local organizations to offer grants for home repairs. These programs are often more accessible and faster than federal options. For example, if you're in St. Louis, you can use findhelp.org to search for available programs by your zip code. Let me show you how this works. You enter your zip code and you'll see local non-for-profits and government organizations offering financial aid for home repairs. You want to filter by category. Look for the home repair assistance or weatherization programs. You'll get a list of organizations that can help, including the services they offer and eligibility requirements. A great example is Rebuilding Together. They provide free home repairs to seniors and veterans. The programs vary by city, but findhelp.org is one of the best ways to discover local resources quickly. The third resource is something most people overlook. Your employer. Did you know that some employers provide financial assistance for home repairs in the event of disasters or emergency needs? While this isn't as common as federal or local program, it's still worth asking your HR department about. Some employers offer disaster relief grants, financial assistance programs for home repairs. It's also worth checking your employee handbook for details on emergency funds. These programs are typically short-term, but can be a lifesaver when you need urgent repairs. Here's a quick tip. Ask your HR department or your company's internal resources to find out if any financial aid is available for home repairs. So let's do a recap. Here are 3 resources for free home repairs. You need to check it out like now, right now. Benefits.gov for federal programs. Findhelp.org for local non-for-profit and government support. Your employer for disaster relief or assistance programs. Now go ahead and visit these sites, check your eligibility, and start applying for help you need. You'll be surprised at how many resources are available at your disposal. Looking for more tips on home repairs, grants, and financing options? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for updates on new programs that can help you save money and protect your home. If you've already applied for a grant or received home repair assistance, drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and help answer any questions you may have. Also, if you're interested in FHA loan options for home buyers, check out the link in the description. I'll break down step by step how FHA loans can help you purchase your next home. See you on the next video.